Hello and welcome to December Doodles with Catherine. And today it's day 11 and we're going to be drawing Christmas baubles. Christmas baubles are great fun to play around with in your Christmas doodle designs. The easiest Christmas bauble to draw is a simple circle, like this. They can look really effective just as they are on simple bold designs like this. Let's put the top bit on our bauble, the hangy bit where the string attaches, to make it look a bit more realistic. Quickly draw a little zigzag like this, really small, like this. First, draw a nice straight vertical line for each string, going from the top of your page down to the top of your bauble. Then add your little zigzags right on top of each bauble. Remember that baubles come in all sorts of different colours and sizes. If you want to make it look like one of them is hanging in front of the others, you won't be able to see the string that is hanging behind it. So just rub out that bit. There we are. This one is in front, so the string will be in front of the other baubles too. Let's make one look like it's hanging behind this big pink bauble. Can you see how the string is hidden behind the pink bauble? Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed creating those. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later on in December Doodles. Bye for now.